Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily unpair your XIAOMI Smart Band 10 from your phone. So first, what we want to do is open the Mi Fitness app where our band is connected. You go to Device, and now scroll down to Additional Settings and click Unpair right here. So Unpaired, as you guys can see, now what we need to do else, basically this is factory resetting now. So what we can do is go to Bluetooth, and here make sure that we forget the device from here. So as you guys can see, now it's factory reset and it's waiting for a pair. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one.